Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk about the last type of analytics, which is prescriptive analytics. And I'm sorry to repeat this graph several times because I hope that you remember this graph after this chapter, that we have two types for the current data, the descriptive and the diagnostic, and two types of analytics for the future data, which is predictive and prescriptive. The prescriptive, where we actually come up with a model and we try to test this model to work in the future. And here we can use two different types. Either we use rule-based decision support system, and this is, you can tell from the name, it's rule-based. And we'll give you an example about the lease here to explain how can we identify the lease, either financial lease or operating lease. The second one is machine learning, and here we use the fuzzy learning, where we give the machine some data and we train the machine to make decision. So for example, if I give the machine all the real estate value in one area, along with some demographic information about the people there, I might predict the value of the real estate building in the future, how much it will be. Or we can add the data to artificial intelligence to get an accurate prediction. So decision support system, it's rule-based, where you have like the rules applied and it will give you the prediction based on the rule. The machine learning, it's a smart way of learning, and good example for that is Azure, which is machine language learning that can help you to identify some information for the future and train the machine based on the current data to predict the future. So for example here, if we have unknown lease and we would like to use decision support system, we put 5 different conditions, and then based on the condition we can tell if the lease is financing lease or operating lease. If all the conditions have been satisfied, then we consider him as a financing lease. Otherwise, it will be operating lease. So the rules here are verified from past behavior to guide the accountant through this process. The machine learning, as I said, it's a fuzzy way where we don't know how to predict, but the machine will be helping in predicting the information based on the amount of data. So for example, if I have 100% of the data for the last 5 years about real estate value in an area, I can train the machine for 40% and then I test the machine on the 60%. And then I would be able to tell if the machine is predicting similar to what I actually have in the information or not. And if the testing was accurate, as much as we can, then we can use it for the future prediction. Otherwise, we can use bigger artificial intelligence like Microsoft or Amazon or Google, where they can give us more accurate prediction because they have big artificial intelligence model. I hope you find this short video useful for your information, and you can read the textbook for more information. If you need more information or to discuss it, we can definitely have a Zoom meeting. Thank you. Bye-bye.